Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Rare Black History, my internet show where every month is Black History Month and I get to tell you about it. The last two episodes were about places and not people, so I thought we would talk about a person now for today. So that person is Crystal Bird Fauset, who was the first African American female legislator in 1938. Crystal Bird Fauset was born in 1894 in Princess Anne, Maryland, and became a national political trailblazer. Though she was raised in Boston, she built her career and legacy in Philadelphia. She began as a public school teacher, then shifted into social justice work through the YWCA, focusing on African American girls. In the 1920s, she joined the American Friends Service Committee, working to promote racial understanding and equality. In just 1 year, she delivered over 200 public talks to more than 40,000 people on race relations. Fauset earned her degree from Columbia University in 1931. In 1932, she founded the Colored Women's Activities Club to help black women register to vote. Her organizing led to a federal appointment in the Works Progress Administration, where she focused on women and professionals. She also served on the Federal Housing Advisory Board, addressing housing inequality. In 1938, Fauset made history as the first African American woman elected to state legislature in the U.S. She represented a district that was majority white, introducing legislation on public health, housing, public relief, and women's workplace rights. During World War II, she joined President Roosevelt's Black Cabinet, working on civil defense and fighting racial discrimination. Frustrated by stalled civil rights progress, she challenged political parties in 1944, continuing her advocacy at the national level. Excuse me. After the war, Fauset expanded her work globally. I don't know why I can't talk today. Expanded her work globally, helping found the United Nations Council of Philadelphia. She traveled widely, supporting independence movements in Africa, India, and the Middle East. Crystal Bird Fauset died in 1965, leaving a legacy of political firsts, global vision, and relentless advocacy. That's just beautiful. That is just straight beautiful. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye!